Hey everybody, Joe81X. My wife drives my 2019 Toyota Highlander. Okay, it's mine because I bought it, and my name's on the registration. She drives it, and then she gets this. She brakes, and she's like, "Why is it always squeaking?" Sometimes it squeaks when she backs up. Sometimes it squeaks when she turns. And I'm like, I don't know. I think I checked the front. The front had meat. I guess I never checked the back. Sorry. Okay. I never checked the back. Well, never checked the back. Never checked the back. Oh, there's plenty of meat. No. Not when the Abbiano brand has that much meat compared to this. JK18. Look at this. Look at this. Look. This is what this. That's the squeaking. That's the squeaking. There's no meat here. That is a misconception. This is the meat. This is the bracket. Let's everybody take a quick look. Just take a pause on both of them. Now the very good thing is they both wore out evenly. So that means the pistons, which are these things, are both pressing, and the caliper is, which is this thing, is pressing the correct way, because the pads can warp in different directions. So they are worn out, but they are worn out together. So they give you these nice plastic things. Jay said get Ambianos, which is really Economos. We're using this Wakiwano, right? JK18 says to get those tires. You get tires. Yokoyama. Jay says to get Yokoyama. We're gonna, hopefully these brackets, everything goes on. And that's it. It's a little light out. I'm going to attempt to take this 17 millimeter, put it back there, and take this off. Then I'm going to attempt to see if this rubber boot comes out and this comes off. And then I have to remember in my head to undo the parking brake without this thing falling, because the parking brake is what holds this drum. You gotta have the tools, hon. I got this black thing from downstairs. I thought I could use this Husky thing. Not enough torque behind this little shit, but there was a nice Husky so-and-so. There's enough throw. Definitely not in a car. Enough. There was enough. And look how big those things are. The middle ones are the calipers, and these were these 17 millimeter. Look at that. Holy cow. So now I got the bracket off. Now I can put the pieces on, maybe clean it. I probably won't clean it clean. I'll probably just spray it. But next, let's see what this does. Well, it wasn't going to come off by itself, so I had these little screws. I had these screws here. So now I'm going to take it off. I need two hands. Holy brake dust, Batman. Ready? Oh, I guess it's got nowhere to go. Oh, careful, don't breathe that in. So these are good. You don't want to touch anything. You don't want to spray anything. All you want to do is just hit it with compressed air. Maybe hit this ridge. This is very fucking heavy. This is very okay. I think it's okay. I want to maybe hit this. I may not even. I don't even. Stupid. All right, well, this is what it looks like. How they adjust it via park and brake is probably push pull, you know, so I don't know. I'm definitely gonna clean this up. Don't want to touch a lot of things. Just want to see if that's dust or dirt. Nope, just okay. Okay, well, we're just gonna hit it with compressed air. Let's see if I could do that now. All right, I have to spray the inside a little bit more. I'm using this stuff. There should be a description if I remember. So I sprayed this entire thing down with that. And you know, you don't have to. I did. I took a rag right there and I went in here and I cleaned this. It doesn't matter. This is all what it looks like as of oh geez, what are we in? October 20 something, 2024. You could look at these pads. This is park and brake stuff, so whatever. This is what it looks like. I'll try to get myself a nice video. This is what the pads look like. I think it's a little black on that side, maybe, because if they're adjusted, it's a little proud. Again, we didn't touch anything else. I have dirty hands. I'm gonna put those on in a second. I want to spray inside again and then like kind of hold it on the side and then put it back in. And in order to keep it, because I took the drill and I took the wire brush and I hit this stuff, the hub, and I hit in there. See this lip? It sits in there. I hit that again, so it'll probably be loose. If it's loose, you put this on. I'll show you. So let me spray the inside again, and then we'll put this on and we'll start assembling this side. Of course, with two hands. See the hub with two hands. There you go. It's on. Now, just because, let's see if this works. I don't know if there's enough depth. Okay, perfect. They said do one. I'm gonna do crisscross. I'm gonna do two. I don't want it to futz up. You could tighten it by hand. Look at that. Done. I'll spray that later. We have this cap. I found out on the internet this cap is that if these pads are locked up, you could put this cap, pop it, and then you do something with some kind of screwdriver. And you know, do. All right. Well, they give you new hardware, nice and shiny, but they looked like that after how many days? So that's it. Now it's time to apply some of this. I like to apply it in the back first, but not the front. You'll see why. And we're gonna put these big bolts back on. It's supposed to be torqued down, but if you crank them, you're fine. So I used my C-clamp, an old pad, which Harbor Freight does sell something, but you know, I pushed it back. Okay, ding dong. These are still free and turn and move in and out. Wah, wah, wah. Let's just take that look at that one. Ooh, wah, 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 wah. And these are the pads. Sorry. Technology. That's a little different than that. Yeah, bugs. That's a little different. That's the bracket. There's the pad. There's the meat. Okay, so now it's basically putting on the caliper. It's French for caliper. It's got to go a little more. Hopefully these pads are not too big. So we'll just, alright, we'll just close it a little more. Okay, well, it went on. A little proud in the back. But if you could see, they're just hard metal on aluminum and they bend. They both went on. These bolts are tight. I can undo this. What you want to do, you don't have to start the car right now, but probably should maybe start the car. See this little play? So I'll start the car and this will... I gave the car a quick start. Nothing should be broken or leaking, but this is my payback for putting brake pads on the car. Yeah, that's what I get for doing the right thing. Okay, let's put the wheel on. Well, I didn't hear it drag. It stopped. I guess if I put the other one on and it doesn't stop. I went a block or two. You're really not going to see a big wear pattern until I'm done, until my wife takes it out and about, but it's torqued. This side is done. I know it's late, but I'm that kind of guy. So the other side is jacked up. We're shooting the 5060212. Yeah, we're gonna wrap up this video because the other side is gonna be bing bang boom, quicker, faster, and stupider. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe, and that's obnoxiously getting these pads and saying, wait, what's squeaking? Hickory dickory. All right, everybody, take it easy.